Q96 Morning Show. That is Dwight Yoakam, Crazy Little Thing Called Love. JJ here with you. It is 7:39. So we have some guests in the studio today. This is something that we started a couple weeks ago, and so we are continuing it. It's called Tech Talk with our friends at All West Communications, and I have a couple of Brians with me. We have Brian Jackson from last week, or a couple weeks ago, and then we have Brian Worthington, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So good morning, guys. How you guys doing?
Good.
Good.
How are you?
How's everything out in the world for All West? You know, the way things are going right now.
Busy.
Yeah.
We're extremely busy. That's the reason I brought Brian in. I guess I'll start off with something we're offering, and the reason we're busy is obviously everyone's doing this homeschooling because of the coronavirus.
Right.
So we are offering as an All West that we know that everyone has to continue their education, and not everyone has the resources to have internet at home.
Right.
So we're offering free internet service, free install for anyone that needs it. And obviously people are going to we need free service. And so we're taking some precautions, but anyone that needs the service or doesn't have the resources, we're offering free service for 60 days.
Yeah, that is amazing, because it's definitely a need right now. And, you know, with the schools being closed down, and, you know, we don't want to, stop the education of our kiddos. So the fact that you guys are doing that is just awesome. So thank you for doing that.
And they're trying. These guys have, obviously this is a busy time of season for us, and we're stacking on because that's our first focus.
Right.
Any kid that needs internet, and obviously they need it starting today, I believe.
Yeah.
So any kid that needs it, give us a call. We'll do what we can. We're working them in. That's our top priority right now.
So you guys are the techs. So you guys have gotten a lot of calls for that
Yes.
lately. Yeah.
And they're getting more and more, and obviously we'll see it in Green River starting probably next week.
Okay.
And our other systems in Utah, they've really been super busy by it. So that's our first focus. Everything is going to the back of the line. We'll get these kids service so they can continue their schooling.
Well, awesome. Once again, thank you guys for that. That is, really, we're all in this together, right?
Yeah.
So it's gaining some traction. So we'll see where it goes.
So, all right. So the topic today that we want to talk about is All West and the difference between All West and wireless carriers. So tell me more about that.
The biggest thing I see is I'm on social media all the time, and anybody that moves new to town, excuse me, the first question is who's the best carrier? Who has the best internet? And it varies. And the biggest thing I see is depends on the area. For us, it doesn't depend on the area. If we can get you a coax drop to your house, we can get you fiber to your house, you have every service we have. We can offer gig speeds. It's been tested. If we can get service to your house, you have the best of the best.
Yeah.
We're not a wireless provider. I mean, a tree is not going to interfere with your signal. We're hardwired. So if you can receive our signal, then you'll have gig services.
Yeah. So because I've seen that too. Well, people go online and say, "Hey, so and so can't get out here to me. So what other provider can I go to?" Do you see that a lot, Brian?
Every day.
Every day?
Every day we get that question.
Yeah.
Just like Brian said, we can offer every speed that we offer to each customer that gets our cable.
Yeah. Do you guys have I thought you saw you guys had a special going on right now. Was that just for the school, or do you have another special going on?
No, we have some promos that are going, and what is the gig speeds right now? It's roaring into the 20s, or I don't remember what the promo is.
Yeah.
Every quarter we have one, and this one was pretty good. What was this one?
It was any speed up to a gig for $59 a month, free install.
Okay, right
free
on.
Install gig speeds for
That ends this month.
Yeah.
End of the month.
All right. Well, I had somebody who just messaged me right now, and they were asking, how do I get All West for my 3 kids at home? So who can they contact?
Reach out, get on. Well, I guess you can't get online. Reach out to All West and call. And I don't know the procedure that they're taking, depending on the school district, the area. Is this somebody local?
Yeah, yes, it is. Yeah, and so they just messaged, and they will need internet for their 3 kids.
Reach out to us, and we will definitely work you in. Between today and Friday, we have 48 installs.
Wow,
so,
yeah.
That's a lot.
So it might take a little while for them to for you guys to get, but you guys are working as fast as you possibly
yes,
can.
Our best.
Wow, how many techs do you have out working right now?
We've got 10 techs. We've got 5 installers. I'm bringing a tech from Evanston today.
Okay.
And it's all hands on deck right now because our first focus is to make sure that these kids get taken care of.
All right. Well, very cool. So you guys are always updating your Facebook page as well. I saw your special earlier today.
Our marketing team is doing a tremendous job, and they're constantly on that Facebook page.
All right. So if you are a parent who has some kiddos that are working from home, and you don't have that internet and you need it, contact All West because you get it for free for 60 days.
Free for 60 days, free install, and that's our number one priority.
Okay.
Everything is going back burner until we get the schools and children taken care of. That's our focus.
All right, schools. So there might be some sign-up procedures for that. I believe you can also check the schools as well, the district, depending on the district. But you guys will make it happen either way.
Absolutely.
Right, yeah.
If they can reach out to the school. I know we've been dealing with the superintendents here. They can reach out to the school. They can reach out with us.
Okay.
I know there are some things in place as far as some paperwork.
Right.
And obviously, I don't want the people that need it to suffer because of people that are taking advantage of it.
Right.
So
yeah.
that's my goal.
Okay. All right. So we are talking with Brian of All West Communications. So Brian, are you going to be super busy today?
Definitely. We'll be super busy for the next few weeks, I imagine.
Okay. All right. And so thank you guys for coming in and talking about this. And if you want more information, go to their website. Also, the Facebook page. They keep updating that. If you do need internet service for your kiddos at home right now, talk to them, talk to the school district. I'm pretty sure that they can give you procedures for that and how to go about that. And be patient because these guys are busy today. So they will try to help you as soon as possible. But thank you guys so much for being here and taking time out of your day. And we will hopefully see you in a couple weeks.
Thanks.
All right,
it was
thank
good.
you.
All right, you're welcome. All right, so that is All West Communications. Once again, you can see this on Facebook if you missed it right here, and check that out for free internet if you do need it for your kiddos for school. It's 7:46. I've got Dirk Bentley and Brett Eldridge coming up.
This is the Frost